Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix HP laptop keeps shutting down in 2026. So how to do this? Let's get started. First, what you need to do is open your start menu and then go over to settings, then click on system and then click on power and battery. Then click on screen, sleep and hibernate timeouts, and then make sure all these four options are set to never. Just click on this and then scroll down and then select never. Just do this for all these four options 1 2 3 4 and then just close this. Now open your start menu again and then search for control panel. Here in the category just select large icons and then click on power options. Now click on choose what the power button does and then click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Then just uncheck this box which says turn on fast startup recommended, and then just click on save changes and close this and restart your PC. Hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.